Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Maris Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how to set up Fat Tunnel Lite VPN application for a secure, a fast, and a stable internet access in all countries, all networks, all devices. So don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend. And in case you get any problem, the comment section is going to be left open so that we can engage. Even in the comment section, I'll be helping you by commenting your device so that I will be providing with you the best settings in your country and on your device. So just let me know which device you are using, which country, and then which network. In the comment section, I'm going to be providing with the first settings, procedures in the comment section. So guys, don't forget to like that tutorial, don't forget to subscribe, share this tutorial to your friend. That is it. Let us start up our tutorial. First and foremost, open Google Play Store, and in your Google Play Store you're going to activate your search bar, and then you're going to try to search Fat Tunnel Lite VPN. So give it some few seconds, a maximum of 2 seconds to search, and then after it will be searching, and then we'll be seeing this application. That is the app icon, that is the app name, the right spelling, download, install, and then after installing, open. So once you open, allow the notification permission. You're going to also try to turn airplane mode on and then off. After, you're going to accept all permissions that will be requested to you by this application. Keep in mind that our tutorial is for research, informational, educational, demonstrational purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and the community guidelines. Therefore, after following up all those, you're going to come and then look for an option called update the configs. So once you choose this option, give it choose the online method of updating, and then once you choose the online method of updating, give it like some 5 seconds so that it can update the resources. Keep in mind that once you don't update the resources, this application won't connect, and it won't be our problem. It will be failure for the viewer to update the resources. So I request you and recommend you guys to update the resources so that you can be able to connect to a fast, a secure, and a stable internet access on your Android device. So after, you're going to come where you see the auto select server, and then once you look at that option, just think about getting connected. So after, you're going to check that option and then look for your country server. Once you don't see it and you see other servers, don't just check into them. I'm going to be showing you a server you're going to be connecting to. So once you see, because right now we have only 2 servers, but those servers are fast, as you know, but I'm going to recommend you guys to be using this server, which is the auto select server, provided that you're not seeing your country server, but those who live in that country, or if you are near to this country, you can be connecting to this server, so you'll be experiencing a faster connection. So choose that server, auto select server, and then let us go to the next step. Once you choose that, you're going to come right here where you see that thing, or where you see dialect, and then in your dialect you're going to look for your country server, but first come from recommended. Let me show you. First come from recommended, then you're going to come to all countries. Then after, once you reach all countries, try to scroll down with a lot of patience looking for your country server. But if your country supports UDP, you're going to be typing in UDP, so it will be bringing you this UDP server. So you're going to be checking this one, and then after checking that one, you're going to try to check that server, and then you'll be able to connect by checking this start. You're going to tap where you see start, and then the application will start automatically. Now what if it fails to connect? If it fails to connect, let me first connect to this server. Please select that one, and then after, give it some few seconds to connect. Let us first see it connecting. If it fails to connect, try to put airplane mode on and then off, and then you can also try to, if you're in Uganda, try to buy or activate your SIM card to KYC. And then if you are in other countries, you're going to restart your device. If all that fails, we're going to try to come in the comment section. Let me first select one country's server. Let me try to select this one. You're going to come in the comment section and then comment your country's name, the network. Then I'll be providing you with the best server that will be connecting on your Android device. Failure to connect may be meaning we didn't update the servers, or we checked the update servers and then it didn't update.